Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can remove duplicate values from a sheet. It is very difficult to remove duplicate values from a data manually, as here, each cell has to be checked and then it has to be removed. There is a quicker function in Excel which removes the duplicate data automatically and saves a lot of time. Let's use the following data in Excel to learn how to remove duplicate values. As you can see, there are multiple similar values in this sheet. Let's see how we can quickly remove this. First of all, select the data from which you want to remove duplicates in Excel, and then go to Data tab from the top ribbon and select Remove Duplicates. Here, select the columns from which you want to remove duplicates. I want to remove duplicates from all columns, but here you have the flexibility to pick and choose columns. Click OK once you have selected the columns. And as you can see, duplicate data have been removed. To remove duplicates from a single column, you can either select all the columns and then pick and choose the columns from which you want to remove duplicates, or just simply select a column and then follow the same steps, that is go to Data and then Remove Duplicates. Here, click on Continue with Current Selection and then Remove Duplicates and OK. As you can see, duplicates have been removed. So, this is how you can remove duplicate data. This saves tremendous amounts of time. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.